Now we are here now. Walsen, you can see the Walsen have a boat. You can see, and very cloudy. It's not, can't see any mountains or any waterfalls. Now going to this boat. You can see this boat. This boat is Bex Falls. Last moments I said about this waterfall. Now have a kilometers this Walsen and the waterfalls. Okay, now we are now back to the bike park. Next we are another videos soon and possible, and subscribe and share. Don't forget about this. It's me, I am Nayana Madhushankar, into the heart of nature. Thank you.